Here's how to make the world's smallest avatar. First you're gonna wanna get the Blaze Burner character, then the Gnomesky brothers, and lastly Skelly. First you're gonna equip the Blaze Burner head. Also unequip any accessories. Next is the Blaze Burner torso. Then the Skelly arms. Then the Gnomesky legs. Also make sure the build is as small and wide as possible, not skinny. I forgot to add to get the ninja animation. Then equip it. Quick clip of me equipping the ninja animation. This is optional, but if you want the shirt, it is called oversized cute sweater. In all it should look like this.